Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, has been the case the past couple of days. The last afternoon session has been just all bears. I mean, you look at it yesterday and Monday, nice move up, went sideways, afternoon, all bears. Again, nice move up. Sideways, afternoon session, the bears. So it can feel like, wow, the bears are really in control. I mean, I had that feeling, but then you look at the chart and you realize, well, wait a second. Sure, the bears did push down, but even with that, because of the gap up, the price is still very clearly chipping away and building higher bases. I mean, you have that low, and then you have that low, and then assuming that low holds, you have that one right there. So I mean, and then if you envision those as stair steps, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And it doesn't feel that way because it seems like probably because at the close is when the bears show up, so you're thinking, Jesus, it's all bears. And then, late day, you forget about the big gap up. But overall, kind of a bizarre chart in that way. I don't know, maybe I'm the only person that felt that way, but what's definitely been the trend here the past couple of days is that, it's a bullish move, and then afternoon it's just taken over by the bears. But just keep that in perspective. It may feel super bearish, but when you actually look at the price data itself via the technical chart, there is still those higher lows that are, getting chipped away and built into place. So keep that in mind. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, if there is going to be any sort of, breakout to the upside, it's actually sitting at a very key level right now, a very interesting level, and that's right up here at 342. I mean, you go through the history of the chart and you can see 342, generally speaking, was a very big problem point. And once again, it's a problem point. So there's going to be lots and lots of people, lots of breakout players watching this 342 mark and wondering, can the price actually get the breakup through it? So we'll see what happens with it moving forward, but definitely some interesting dynamics going on. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.